Okay, so this is 5, this is 6, this is.
Oh yeah, 8, 6. So in my mind, I picture that as a good over 10. Right?
Oh yeah, because that'd be 8.
If both you and your partner are confused, call me over.
What? No. Wait, this is 10 seconds. 10 6, so it's 11 6. No. Why is over 3 though? I'm at 6.
When you're done, double check your work and make sure you have the same as I do. Make sure your skin is fluorescent pink, just like mine is. You call me an Oompa Loompa? Is that new, Willy Wonka out yet? With, is it Timothy Chalamet? I swear it exists, yeah? Everybody's like, don't answer her, don't look at her.
Well, I've never heard of them.
I've heard of it, I can check this out.
Thank you.
What?
So if this is 6 sixes,
It's the same note as earlier.
then that's 7 sixths. So 7 5. Six. How do you reduce 8 fourths? 4 thirds. 9 sixths, which makes sense because 9 sixths you have 10 sixths.
It comes out, what's called, in December.
It's not happening.
How is it called? Wonka.
11 sixths, which is 11 sixths.
It's not like caffeine in the air.
Let's take my caffeine.
No, we didn't.
Ryan, look me in the eyes. Did they take my caffeine?
Is this a real thing?
I was doing my work.
Gustavo, did I dream this up? Is this a real thing?
Yeah, it's a real thing. It
Okay.
comes out December 15.
Is it like actually being released in the theaters, or is it like a Disney Plus thing? I don't care at all about this.
Straight
I'm not gonna watch it
DVD.
either way. I don't know why I'm
They're Showtime.
bringing it up and being like, tell me all the facts.
We're
It's straight to
Showtime.
DVD. I see here.
Because you called me an Oompa Loompa, that's why. Was that Chase?
You can see it at Marcus, Rochester, the Marcus Theater in Rochester at 3 p.m.
Thank you. Everybody get tickets. We're all gonna go to
Oh my God, I was
the.
wrong. December 14th.
We're all gonna go together. Yep. Not during school, of course.
Alright, what time?
3 p.m.
3 p.m.
We're going to get to Rochester.
We're all gonna be late. Nobody wants to see
We're going to
those.
go lacrosse also.
Is there not like a 4, 5 p.m. show?
All right.
There are 5 games on, but you know it's really possible.
People will be like, does this movie matter for your math class at all? I'll be like, no. One kid said Oompa Loompa once, and here we are. All right. I'm gonna go through these just to make sure you're right, because we don't want your unit circle to be messed up, right? Okay, everybody look at your unit circle. Stop looking at me. Stop looking up. Look at your unit circle. Look down. Look down. I can see your eyes. Look down. Okay. 210 is 7 pi over 6. 225 is 5 pi over 4. 240 is 4 pi over 3. 270 is 3 pi over 2. 300 degrees is 5 pi over 3. 315 degrees is 7 pi over 4. 330 degrees is 11 pi over 6. Back to 0 degrees, which is 2 pi. Now, technically, because we built this unit circle together, because we know all of this trig, you could recreate this on your own, but the point of having this reference is so that you don't have to rethink it every time, so that you can just look at it and understand. Some of your homework tonight will be like, what is the sine of 330? Point right now to the sine of 330 with your partner. Point to the sine of 330 with your partner. If you don't know what you're doing right now, you should be pointing to the y value of 330, because the y value is the sine value. Negative 1/2. Everybody okay with this? Gorgeous. Okay. Now, the second half of class today will be doing some notes. This is going to be pretty easy. We're going to, they have like a formula created, and I think the formula is stupid. I just prefer to use proportions, and that's how I'm going to teach you, because it makes sense to me. In your notebook, I want you to write, this is chapter 6.1. We're talking radians. Today is 11:20. Correct? Yeah. All right. I want somebody for a prize to tell me what is a radian. I'm going to give you a second to think about it while I make a few more I'm a winner signs. Think about how to succinctly say, what is a radian? Nobody called you that.
No,
Did they really?
I don't think so. I not like that, but the walking dictionary thing. I don't know if she remember, but Tegan introduced me like that in weightlifting.
Tegan,
What did I?
you introduced Ryan as a walking dictionary?
Yeah. But he's always known
Proof.
the words with
Nice.
them.
It was in weightlifting. It was the first time I ever met
I do remember that.
Georgia probably and a few other people.
Nice introduction. All right. So, hands up. Who's going to tell me the definition of a radian? 1, 2, 3. I'm glad you raised your hand, Ryan, or I would have been like, you're right. You're right, you're a walking. But this thing needs to change. Thought it would go back by now. 2. Anders.
It's when you take the measurement of the radius
Mm-hmm.
and place it alongside the outer diameter of the
Circumference of the circle. That exactly. But what is it?